All right, welcome. I can see that a lot of you are already in the room, so I think we can start our webinar for today. So, hello, let me give some formal introductions. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Bull Prime first ever webinar in the Philippines, the Bull Prime Your Forex Trading Advantage webinar. My name is Amira, and I'll be your host for today, together with a special guest speaker who will be sharing more on Forex trading. So I'm happy to share that we are expecting around 300 attendees today. So whether you're new to Forex or perhaps you're an experienced trader who are just looking to amp up your trading with what Bullprime has to offer, we hope that you will find today's session insightful and informative. So before we start, I would just like to highlight some key reminders. Is first, the session will last for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I do recommend you to grab some snacks, grab some water and also grab some notebooks so that you can jot down all the important notes that we'll be sharing today. And we will also have a Q&A session after the speaker session. So if you look at the bottom of your screen, there is a small Q&A button. That is where you can leave your questions in the chat box. And we will have our Bold Prime representative who will be answering those questions for you. Okay, I think you might have got some sneak peek from our posters and reminders that we have a special prize for you today, which is we are offering $15 credit for 100 attendees. So how can you grab this gift? I will share it at the end of the webinar, which means that you're going to have to stay tuned. Another key reminder is I would highly recommend for you to turn on your captions. If you see at the bottom panel, there is a button called CC. You can turn that on so that you can grasp all the information and words that are being spoken by our speaker today. Okay, let me now introduce you to our speaker. She is a seasoned finance writer and speaker with expertise in multiple financial instruments, from stocks, cryptocurrency, and of course, the highlight of our webinar today, Forex trading. With over 4 years of experience, I'm sure that she will have lots of knowledge and tips to share. So, if everyone is ready, without further ado, I present to you Mirhan Hipolito.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Amira, for that introduction. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa aming webinar for today's session. I know it's a Saturday and you could have just gone to see your friends, meet your friends in a coffee shop, or just stay at home, relax, read your book, especially with the weather that we have right now in the Philippines. We have a thunderstorm coming, so it's kind of gloomy. So I advise everyone to take care. And most importantly, thank you so much for joining us today. And we have made so much effort into making this webinar very educational for you. So today, we're just going to make it light. We only have three main agendas for today. On the first part of our webinar, I will be discussing the basics of Forex trading. I will be introducing you to Forex terms such as spreads, what is pips, and what is leverage, and all of that, because you're going to encounter that on your trading journey. And then I'm going to share with you my top secrets in looking for a Forex broker. So by the end of the session, I will be also introducing you to the man of the hour, Bold Prime. Actually, guys, if many of you do not know that my main job is that I review brokers, and this year I have reviewed 20 or 30 brokers so far in the forex industry, and a name that always comes up in the searches is Bold Prime because it's such a very important broker in Asia Pacific, globally actually, but more in the Asia Pacific region. So for me, we are very lucky. The Philippine market is very lucky that we have been selected by Bold Prime to be its next market. So thank you, Bold Prime, for selecting the Philippines, and welcome to our country. And final reminders, as Amira have said, go grab your coffee if you have it, or go grab your water and some pen and paper in there because you will learn so much in this webinar. But before I talk too much, I would like to remind you that you should tune in until the end of our webinar because we have a $50 gift for our first 100 participants. So you don't want to miss on that. Okay, let's move on to the basics of Forex trading. I know that many of you, ang unang concern natin is that Forex is a very intimidating word. Like when we hear about Forex, it's something that we don't hear on day-to-day conversations, right? So whenever we imagine it, we imagine the graphs, the reds, the greens, the lines, and stuff like that, which makes us, parang ang hirap niyang intindihin, parang ayoko na mag-sign up dyan. But actually, guys, Forex is simply the buying and selling of currencies for a profit. So it's one of the many financial instruments that you could join in there. We have stocks, we have commodities, we have cryptocurrencies, we have real estate. And for those of you who are already in these industries and are looking to diversify your income, then Forex is another financial instrument that you could enter into. And what makes us different from other markets is that Forex is very liquid. Actually, in 2016, the daily trading volume of foreign exchange trading at 6 trillion. So what does that mean? It means that when you buy and sell currencies, it's so easy. There will always be someone who would like to take your position. There will always be someone who will. There will always be a demand for your orders. So proceed with the currency pairs. For those of you who haven't seen this, well, I think some of you have already seen this. Like in Forex, we have currency pairs, like expressed as USD JPY, while others are EUR USD, NZD USD, AUD USD, GBP, EUR, and similar to that. So these are what we call the currency pairs. The first one, such as in this example, we have USD. USD is what we call our base currency. While on the second, our second currency is what we call the quote currency. And this is, these are what we call our currency pairs. So unlike in stocks where, for example, I will buy a stock of company ABC for a certain price, like $10, and I will expect the price of that company to go $15 after a month, and then I will sell it. So in stocks, you're only looking for the price to go up, normally in a normal setting of the stocks. But in Forex, there are actually two ways to make money out of foreign exchange. So you click buy, and then you click sell. So there are two ways, buy and sell. You click buy when your technical analysis shows that the base currency is going to go up against the quote currency. So in this case, your technical analysis tells you that the USD is going to strengthen against our Japanese yen. And then you have to take note of this because you click sell when your technical analysis shows that the quote currency is going to strengthen against the base currency. So the Japanese yen is going to strengthen against the US dollar. So there are two ways. It's not just like, I will be waiting for company ABC's price to go up and then I'm going to sell. No, in Forex, you can actually make money through buy and then through sell. And that is what makes it very dynamic. There's so many opportunities to make income. And what I will also introduce you by the end of the session is the Bold Prime Introducing Broker Program, in which is another way to make money out of Forex. Well, this one is more passive and will be ideal for those of you who already have a full-time job and looking to augment your income, to have an extra income while technically doing nothing. I will tell you more of that later in our session. So for now, we proceed with our Forex terms. I have collaborated with the Bold Prime team to give you like the 5 main forex terms that you're gonna encounter on your trading journey. I would like you to be in the level playing field para kasi pag nag-start ka na mag-trade sa forex, tips, lots, leverage, margins, spreads, these are the terms that you will encounter on a day-to-day basis. And if you do not know before you start what these mean, then it's gonna be a rocky road for you. So I'm gonna explain them in a very simple manner. But before anything else, let's take some water break, shake that bad juju off, and don't forget to hydrate and take notes as we go on. Sustainability, yes. So we start with pips, or what we call the point in percentage. A pip is the smallest price movement in a currency pair. So every pip has a monetary value depending on the size of the trade. So for example, you're trading EUR/USD and the initial value when you bought it is 1.0090. And then after some time you want to sell already and you have seen that the price has already gone up to 1.0095. So what's the difference? There's a 5 pip difference, and every pip has a monetary value depending on the size of your trade, which leads me to my next concept, which is lots. So lot is basically just the size of a trade. There are 3 main lot sizes that I will discuss. We have the standard lot, the mini lot, and the micro lot. So for the standard lot, the order for the standard lot is equivalent to 100,000 units of the base currency. And every pip movement in this case is equivalent to $10. Whereas the next one, we have the mini lot, which is the order is equivalent to 10,000 units of the base currency, and every pip movement is equivalent to $1. And then we have the micro lot, which is the beginner friendly one. Your order is equivalent to 1,000 units of the base currency, and every pip movement is just equivalent to 10 cents. So how does this work? You can see nakita nyo when I discussed it, like in lots, you have to buy or sell 100,000 units of base currency. Isn't that intimidating? So it means that if I am buying USD and JPY, I have to have 100,000 capital. Well, actually, no. So that is what leads me to my next concept, which is leverage. So leverage is the tool that is offered by brokers for us traders to make larger positions. Basically, leverage allows us to have bigger buying power than what we have in our capital. So leverage is normally, most brokers offer it between 1:500 up to 1:1,000. And for Bold Prime, we have it at 1:2,000, which means that for every dollar that you have, the buying power is at $2,000. So how does it work? So in a 1:1 leverage, you will need $100,000 to buy one standard lot of USD JPY, for example. But not all of us have that kind of capital. At least hindi ako ha. Wala akong ganun na na capital. And sa tingin ko din na marami sa ating mga Pilipino gusto natin mag-start sa mababang capital lang. Like, I just want to spend $15 while starting out and figuring things out. Of course, everyone does not want to put everything in one basket at once. We are very careful. So what leverage does is that it allows you to have more buying power without having a huge amount of capital. So for example, you only have $100 on your bank account and you're using a 1:1,000 leverage offered by your broker. So bawat is $1 mo dun sa $100 may corresponding buying power na $1,000. So that means your buying power for that $100 is $100,000. And then you can place a one standard lot for that or a couple of mini lots if you prefer that. So yes, that is what how leverage works. It means that you don't have to have like a large amount of capital to start your trading journey with Forex. And that margin is just the twin sister. I call these my twins because margin simply means that it is the amount required to open a leverage position. So, for example, in the 1:2,000 leverage, the $1 is your margin. And then we proceed with my favorite spreads or spread. So in Forex, you will see like two lines on your graph. Those two lines represent the upper line is the ask price and the bottom line is the bid price. So this basically the distance between the ask and bid price is your spread. So the ask price is the lowest price at which a currency can be bought. Lowest price at which a currency can be bought. And then the bid price is the highest price at which a currency can be sold. So ulitin natin yung example natin kanina. For example, we have EUR/USD and our starting and the ask price is at 1.0095 while the bid price is at 1.0090. There is a 5 pip difference. And for example, your order is at standard lot. So it means that every pip has a $10 corresponding value. So you're paying for $50 just for that position. Then this is where it enters na dapat you should select a broker with very tight spreads. So ideally, the spreads will just be between 1 and maximum 2 because this is the fee that you have to pay for every trading and you don't want, we Filipinos do not like to pay so much on our trades and we want to save as much as we can. So yes, we select a broker that has a very narrow spread. I hope I have been getting everything clear to all of you. So far, so good. And then now we proceed to what the trading platform MetaTrader looks like. So when you're trading in Forex, it looks like this. And this is what intimidates most of us. Sa totoo lang talaga, nung nag-start ako sa Forex, nakikita ko pa lang tong mga graph na to. Sabi ko, hindi ko naintindihan yan. I don't have the patience to study it. But actually, it's just pretty simple. So the green and the red are just representing the price movements. And then this is the MetaTrader 4 that they call, or this is a trading platform. Some brokers have their own trading platforms, but the majority of clients always prefer to use MetaTrader. So you will always hear MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Personally, I'm using the MetaTrader 4. It's something that has been in the early 2000s and it has been around and very, very trusty until now. It allows us to do charting, technical analysis, and trade multiple assets just in one platform. Minsan, you can see you can put in the graph 4 different assets at once if that's what you prefer. But for beginners, I advise you to have this like one at a time. Get it slowly so you can understand first. So the broker will be the one to give you the login credentials upon downloading MetaTrader 4 on Google. Search it on Google, download it on your computer, and then your broker will be the one to give you the login credentials. And then just put in your login credentials on your MetaTrader 4 or 5, and then you can start trading. If your broker offers demo account, then you can also do that. And also with a live account, it's possible with that. Okay, now we proceed with the role of Forex broker in Forex trading. Actually, saan naaalala ko, Forex broker, just hearing the term Forex broker is not only intimidating, but for Filipinos, it has a negative connotation, especially like in the early 2005s, 2007s, like 2005 to 2010. Parang ang daming scams that has used the names of forex brokers into deceiving people. And we Filipinos, whenever now we hear forex broker, we automatically think like, this may be a scam. This may be something that will get my money off me and disappear just like that. But actually, forex brokers are one of the are very safe because they are regulated. And simply, forex brokers are platforms where you can trade currencies. So if some of you here have traded in stock market in the Philippines, we have Call Financial, we have ano pa ba yung ginagamit ko? First Metrosec. Then a forex broker is basically just like that, just that it is trading forex. So what is the role of forex brokers? So forex brokers act as an intermediary where we can meet the buyer, where buyers and sellers meet. So if we have a currency pair and we want to sell it, then we enter the trade there, and then someone will always be ready to take our position and vice versa. So it acts as our middleman to meet our buyers and sellers. And then forex brokers also provide trading platforms. As I have mentioned earlier, our forex broker are the ones who's gonna give us the login credentials, the username and the password for if we want to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And then some brokers nowadays have also integrated advanced charting tools like TradingView, like CTrader, and then our brokers also have a copy trading service in which recently, ito yung recent na ni-launch ng Bold Prime, the copy trading service for our beginner traders who do not have yet the solid strategy to and the confidence to have their own trades. Then they can subscribe to expert traders, and then whatever that expert trader makes, a profit or a loss, it will also be reflected on you. I'll discuss more of that later at the end of our session. So a forex broker is the one who executes our trades, obviously. And then my favorite, our forex broker are the ones who are giving us the leverage and the margin. It's leverage is a two-way sword, I would call it, because the higher the leverage, the easier for us to be able to have buying power. This buying power is easier for us to achieve our profit goals. But at the same time, when we lose, it's also faster when we are using high leverage. So we gotta be careful on that. And then our forex brokers are also the one who provides us with educational resources. One of my dilemmas when I was just starting out with forex is I do not know where I can learn. Like there are sites like Investopedia, Traders Union, Baby Pips that I can search forex terms, but actually there is no. It's so hard to find a really structured course on forex. So some brokers have it, like Bold Prime. They have. I checked with them. They have the learning starter packs in which everything is already categorized and you can learn in a very systematic manner. They also have quizzes, video tutorials that discusses the concepts of forex trading for beginners, for intermediate traders, and if some of you here are expert traders, we also have materials for you. And then educational resources also include economic calendars. Again, I repeat, economic calendars are one of the features that you as a trader in Forex should learn, because economic calendars basically gives us the schedule for interest rate decisions of the Federal Reserve, of the European Union, European Council. So these events actually affect the movement of the currency. So we gotta know how these work. So one thing to take note is to learn about economic calendars. And it really helps if your broker has this already in their website or in their platform. Now, I think I'm ready to share with you my standards when looking for a Forex broker. Hindi naman ako galit, guys. I will be very happy to share with you my secrets because it took me so long to understand what is important with a never-ending choices in the forex market. Like sabi nga nila, parang with the paradox of choices, the more choices you have, the more difficult it is. So I only created five checklists when selecting a forex broker. First, my forex broker should be well regulated. I'm so sure many of you are aware with what is happening in the crypto industry right now in the Philippines with the unregulated exchange that is being banned by our Securities and Exchange Commission. So that is a lesson learned for many of us to engage only with brokers with good regulation because it allows us to sleep peacefully at night, not worrying if our funds are still there, if our money is still there. You know, we are investing because we want to grow our money and not to lose it. So I will only engage with a well-regulated broker. That is my number one qualification. And next is I would only engage with a broker that is easy to use, especially when I was just beginning to learn about forex. These terms like MetaTraders, like TradingView are so intimidating. So I would want to engage only with a broker that already supports this platform and na hindi na ako mahirapan na integrate sila sa aking trading journey. And next is, I'm so sure many Filipinos would relate to this because we are very price conscious. Hindi ba? Di ba? Personally, I am. So I would only engage with a broker that is low cost. By low cost, I mean tight spreads and does not charge withdrawal or deposit fee. What we don't know is that unlike in other platforms, in Forex, the majority of brokers actually charge for withdrawal and deposit fees that are expressed in US dollars. And if you convert them, for example, the withdrawal fee is just $10. It's nothing if it's expressed in dollars. But we are always converting in peso, and that's already like 500, more than 500 pesos. And we don't want to lose such a significant amount of money by just one withdrawal or one deposit. So I would only engage with brokers that do not charge these fees. And then I want my broker to have a great customer support. There is this happening when with my former broker when I had a problem with my account and their customer service is not available on a weekend. And imagine the anxiety for 2 days. I do not know if my funds are still there or what's going to happen. So it took them 2 days before responding to my inquiry and then another 5 days to solve everything. So I was in a constant dilemma of fear during that entire week. So I would want my broker to have a great customer support, 24/7 customer support, if that is the right term. And I would want it to have a very proactive team that looks after my concerns in a very proactive manner. So next is easy funding and withdrawal method. For sure, I would want to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Does anyone not? Di ba? Tayo lahat gusto naman natin na parang easy siya i-fund, easy siya i-withdraw sa account. And this can only be possible if the broker has good partner payment platforms in the Philippines. So yes, just 5 things. It looks simple, but it is the core of it's going to be the core of your trading journey because this one is my non-negotiables for mine. Before I introduce you to the man of the hour, let's take some water break. I hope that everyone's still with me. If you want to grab some snacks, let's snack together. I have my coffee here. I feel energized. That shot of glucose for energy. Anyway, we're here today because of this broker who has selected us, the Philippine market, to be its next home. So I'm going to introduce you to the man of the hour, Gold Prime. I have been hearing them since for a very long time because, as I said, my job is in forex reviews. I review different forex brokers, sign up with them, create real accounts with them, test their execution speed, test their spreads, and Bold Prime is a broker that has consistently appeared in the forums, especially in the Asia Pacific market. So naturally, I was so curious of why is it so popular. So and I was so happy that I am so happy that now they are coming to the Philippines to be here with us. So Bold Prime is actually established in have a well-established presence in Asia Pacific, as I said, and it has headquarters, one in Dubai and also one in Australia. The broker is an all-in-one platform in which you can trade not only foreign exchange but also commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies all in one. And as I said earlier, with everything that's happening in our crypto industry right now, you would only want to engage with a regulated broker to do that purpose. So now you know that Bold Prime, you can do that with Bold Prime. The broker has 200,000 clients worldwide and has a good presence in 50 countries. Wow, that's a lot. So in terms of regulation, our Bold Prime here is well regulated. It has certifications from the Registrar of International Business Companies and the Financial Services Authority of the St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is one of the biggest names in the forex regulation industry. And as I said, I only deal with brokers with a good regulatory background. So you know that you're getting this from Bold Prime. So our broker is not only well regulated, but it's also multi-awarded since 2022. It has been awarded the most trusted broker for 2 times. Wow. And it has been awarded as the best forex broker globally and not only in the Asia Pacific region. So why should we use Bold Prime? So it has many unique selling points, and I will walk you through to them. First is it has low spreads. As I said, you will only want to engage with brokers that have very tight spreads because these are costs that you have to pay in every trade, and you don't want to keep paying large amounts just for that. So Bold Prime, especially for raw accounts, has 0.0 pip spread. Wow, that is so impressive. It means that you are practically paying for nothing when trading with Bold Prime. And next, it has one of the highest leverage in the Forex market today, which is 1:2,000 for MT4 if you're going to use MetaTrader 4, and 1:1,000 for MetaTrader 5. So wow, that is going to give you the right amount of buying power to reach your profit goals faster. Next is Bold Prime actually allows you to trade in micro lot. This is especially important for our beginner traders here to start small. If you're starting out and you still do not know what Forex is all about and you're figuring things out, I advise you to do 2 things. First is to trade in a demo account, which Bold Prime also offers. And next is if you want to take it a notch higher and you already have a bit of confidence, then you start with the micro lot because it has lesser risk and perfect for beginners because it only has you're only ordering a small amount of the base currency, and every pip movement is only at what? 10 cents. So perfect for those who are just starting out. And yes, Bold Prime has 24/7 customer support. So it's round the clock. Whether you encounter problems at any time of the day, it has a very proactive customer support team that will guide you through your inquiries. Next, Bold Prime has actually a low minimum deposit of just $15. So if we convert that into Philippine peso, that's just less than 1,000 pesos. Parang bumili ka lang ng Grab food, or you just bought a pair of slippers of the market, of Shopee, of online. So it's an amount that you will not really feel, and you're willing to invest on something that will grow in value as you go on, right? Next is this is my favorite, and I'm sure that many Filipinos will be delighted for this. Bold Prime has zero deposit fee. What does this mean? So when you deposit $15 on your Bold Prime account, it actually will reflect as $50. There's no fee for that. So we Filipinos love discounts. This one is perfect for us. Next is Bold Prime is well regulated, so your funds are secured, 100% farm security, and the transactions are super fast because Bold Prime has partnered with payment providers that are supported in the popular in the Philippine market, like Dragon Pay. So again, I'm reminding everyone to tune in until the end of our session because we will be giving out the $50 gift for all of our participants. Now is the time for those of you who have been interested and you see that the offers of Bold Prime are actually very good and one of the best that you can take in the market out there. This is how you register. I have registered with them on a Saturday and the process has been seamless. So you see that their customer service still working very proactively even on weekends. So as I said, I have reviewed 20 brokers this year, and I can say that Bold Prime actually has one of the, if not the fastest registration process. So punta lang kayo sa Bold Prime website, myboldprime.com, and then click register. And then fill in your personal information, like your name, your birthday, your country of residence, your local number, and then your nationality. And then proceed with upload. Bold Prime will ask you to upload some proof of identification. So a passport and national ID are accepted. So you just upload the front and back page of your identification card, and make sure, guys, make sure that it is not expired because the Bold Prime team will check it thoroughly to ensure that you don't your documents are still valid. So after uploading the document, you also have to take a selfie with your ID just to, for Bold Prime to confirm that it is actually yours. Walang catfish dito, guys. And then submit. The team will review the documents and will contact you through email once your account has been registered. You will also be required to answer a couple of like KYC questions, know your customer questions, like is your trading level? What is your questions like that, just trading level, so that Bold Prime can personalize the products that it's gonna offer to you. And in my case, I signed up on a Saturday. I answered everything. After 5 minutes, everything is done. And then I was contacted by a dedicated account manager who has been, since then, who has been my contact person that helps me with my account, how I deposit, how I withdraw. So know that when you sign up with Bold Prime after your registration, you will have a dedicated account manager that will help you get through the process seamlessly. So wag ka matatakot kasi there will always be someone to help you. Your account manager is there to help you. And now I will teach you how to deposit funds. It's another easy peasy process. Bold Prime is very good at making its process very easy, as we have noticed by now. So once you have created your account, just log in into your Bold Prime account, and then it's very easy on your laptop or on your mobile phone. It's accessible. It's easily accessible. So you click funds, and then for this purpose, you click deposit funds, and then Sa may gilid, if you have multiple accounts, if you open multiple accounts with Bold Prime, then you have to select the account that you want to deposit into. If not, you will only see one account in there if you only have one account. And then you simply select the payment provider that you're going to use. So, for example, DragonPay. And then you have to enter the amount that you're going to deposit. Again, the minimum deposit is only $15. So that is very affordable, less than 1,000 pesos. And then you will see the amount in peso and in USD. Make sure that you got everything correctly and then review. Tapos, click continue. And after the approval of the deposit by the Bold Prime team, the funds will be automatically credited on your trading account. And again, there's no deposit fee. If $15 yung the deposit mo, then it will reflect as $15. Now we proceed with how to withdraw funds. Of course, we have come to the time when we are going to be taking out our profit. And it's very important to know that your service provider or your broker has a very seamless withdrawal method, because you know that it's easy to take out money from your account. So again, it's the same process as your deposit, but this time you're just going to click withdrawal. So log in on your Bold Prime account and click funds. And then choose now instead of choosing deposit on the button, you click withdraw funds. And after that, if you have multiple accounts, select the account that you will be taking out the withdrawal from. Tapos select ka ulit ng payment provider, DragonPay, for that purpose, because that is very popular in the Philippines. And then for your first withdrawal, you will be asked to enter the account, your account details for your bank account. So Bold Prime actually supports multiple payment providers in the Philippines. If you are using BPI, Philippine National Bank, PDO, these are all supported. So ilagay mo lang yung account number mo, account name, and then Bold Prime will, the next time you do withdrawal, Bold Prime already knows this account information. So after that, you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $15 and the maximum is there. Make sure that you got everything correctly before clicking continue, and then click continue to proceed. And the Bold Prime team will review your withdrawal request to make sure na it's not a fraud, to make sure that your details tally correctly. This is another safety measure, so you know that the team is really taking time to prioritize your safety. So no one can just make a withdrawal out of your account without them checking for you. So I have checked with the team. To be safe, we are looking at 1 to 3 days of lead time for the withdrawal to be reflected on our account. So the DragonPay, I used DragonPay during my time, and they emailed me anyway for the update of the withdrawal. So I was feeling very confident that it's gonna be reflected anyway. So yes, that's a very easy process, isn't it? Are you guys still with me? Okay, we are approaching the end of the program, and now I'm gonna introduce you to Bold Prime's Introducing Broker program. What people do not know is that in Forex, traders earn not majorly from trading, because trading is like a roller coaster of emotions, you know. You win today and then you lose more the next day. So it's just like very unpredictable, especially when you're beginning. So my advice is like set your expectations really not too high, because you're gonna incur losses one way or another while starting out, while figuring yourself out. So the majority of traders actually earn more from commissions than in trading through introducing broker programs of brokers worldwide. So Bold Prime has an IB program that is technically a referral program where you earn when you refer someone into signing up with Bold Prime when they use your link to sign up with Bold Prime. So it's very easy to register. You have to request to become an IB or an introducing broker. So log into your client dashboard and then click request IB. And then Bold Prime will give you a personalized link na pwede mong i-share with your family, with your friends and your followers. And when they click and sign up with the link, kung sino man mag-register using your link, there are gonna be automatically your referrals and you will earn from their trades. So what are the benefits of becoming an introducing broker? So the commission can go up as, wow, $10 per lot traded. That's a lot. Literally, that's a lot. And next is account management. Bold Prime is actually the one to give you like the marketing material. So for example, you want to market it, posters and stuff like that will be given out by Bold Prime when you become an IB. And the payout is consistent every month. So treat it as like a second income. If you're working 9 to 5 job and nasa pet shop de peligro ka na, pero naalala mo, wow, meron pala akong income galing sa mga referral ko sa Bold Prime, then that's gonna be another passive income for you. And then you have a lot of growth opportunities because the IB program comes in 5 tiers. It means that the more you recruit to the program, the more you earn. So how does this work? Mag-Tagalog tayo guys para clear sa lahat. So magi-start ka muna sa tier 1, pataas na pataas hanggang tier 5. So sa tier 1, for example, meron ka ng isang active client. So sa bawat lot na ito-trade ng active client mo, you have the chance to earn $1. So what is an active client? An active client is someone who trades $100 per month and does 5 trades a month. So, kunwari dumami na yung referral mo, naging 5 na. So, you are already in tier 2. You have been upgraded to tier 2 and you earn $3 per lot traded. Per lot. And next is dumadami na. You have now 15 active clients and your commission is now as high as $6 per lot. Wow. And then you did well, you shared your link more, some people signed up again, and you now have more than 30 active clients, and yung commission mo ngayon, $8 per lot na. And until you reach tier 5, which is you now have 60 active clients, and your commission is already $10 per lot. So imagine guys, you are in tier 5 and you have 60 active clients who used your link because you shared it and you forgot everything about it. Shinare mo lang. Tapos, imagine like just one client traded 1 lot during that month, then 60 times 10 as a commission, you have $600 by the end of the month. So that's twice better than the minimum salary in the Philippines. So basically you have the potential to earn more from the introducing broker program than your regular career. So this is a good passive income. If you want to learn more about it, then you can contact Bold Prime or sign up with them to be an introducing broker. Now we proceed with the newly launched feature of Bold Prime, which is Copy Trade. This is the best friend of beginner traders who do not have yet solid, who are still figuring things out. Di ka pa masyadong marunong, na hindi mo pa alam paano mag-trade talaga. Then this is also great for traders who have limited time to trade. Kasi hindi naman natin madi-deny that some of us have 9 to 5 jobs and we do not have the maximum amount of energy to research what is a good trade potential, to do technical analysis. So we will prefer someone to do that for us. And if we also want to gain expertise to expert traders and observe how they make their positions and decide on which trades to enter into, then copy trade is also good for that, and you have the chance to earn more. Kasi you are in copy trading, you are basically copying the trades of experts. So they already know that what they're doing. So you have a higher profit potential. So how does it work? You simply open a copy trading account, select an expert trader to follow. We call them providers, and then activate it. So in the Bold Prime Copy Trade feature, you can also see their stats, like their win-loss ratio. It's very important to check things like this because basically in copy trading, everything, for example, bumili yung provider mo ng 3 lots of EU or USD and nanalo siya. The trade is successful, so you earn the same amount as he did. On the other hand, pag natalo siya, you also lose everything. So you don't just blindly follow someone. You have to look at their stats, and they have to prove themselves that they are good at what they are doing. So I think that's it. We have approached the end of our webinar. I hope that I was able to explain everything in a very simple manner and you are able to get something out of this webinar. And thank you, because it's a Saturday. You could have just stayed at home and slept, but you have chosen to be here with us. Maraming salamat po. And now I give the floor back to Amira for a question and answer session.
Okay, thanks so much, Mirhan, for the great sharing just now. She shared a lot of information and knowledge from the basic concepts in Forex to how you can use the services and tools that Boldprime provide to boost your trading journey. So I am actually very excited to see that we have a lot of questions from you guys. We have almost 30 questions and they are still coming. While Mirhan was sharing with us her knowledge, we had our Boldprime representatives who were answering those questions in the chat box in real time. But I will just address some key questions that I think will be relevant and relatable to many of you here today. So the first question is, okay, what is the time frame from deposit and withdrawal? So for deposit, it's pretty instantaneous. It will just be under 30 minutes. And for withdrawal, as Mihan has mentioned, it's safe to say that the time frame is around 1 to 2 working days. Okay, the reason why withdrawals takes longer is because there are two separate processes, which first, Boldprime will check and approve the withdrawal. Then your payment service provider, let's say you choose DragonPay, will also need to check and validate that transaction before they can reimburse the funds into your bank account. This is all for security purposes. We do not want your money to fall into the wrong hands. All right. Next, do you trade news like Fed announcement or interest rates or inflation? Okay, at Boldprime, we do allow news trading. However, just for your own safety, we do really encourage good risk management because during news, the price movements are very volatile, so it's riskier. But a simple answer to that is yes, you can trade during news. Okay. When is the Forex market open for trading? The Forex market actually operates 24 hours a day, but only 5 days a week. So since it's global, we actually follow 4 major trading sessions. There's Sydney session, Tokyo, London, and New York session. So if you like to see the detailed answer, you can head into the Q&A chat box and check there. All right. Okay, what's next? Can next time you tell me more about the Copy Trade Hub? Yes, of course, we'll definitely be happy to share more about Copy Trade, especially on the details. So what you can do is actually, you can go ahead and register at our Boldprime website so that our dedicated account manager can reach out to you and she can actually guide you step by step on what you can do to start your Copy Trade. Okay. Got an app. Okay, we are actually developing in the process of developing an app. So please do follow our social media, our website to get the updates because it is cooking hot in our oven right now, and we will be released very, very soon. Okay. How political uncertainty affects USD movement? This is pretty similar to the question about news trading. So when there is political uncertainty, it makes the US dollar more volatile. So it can increase really fast, but it can also drop really fast. So this is where your risk management is very, very important. So please do take note if you want to trade when there is political uncertainties or other big events like wars as well. Okay. Next. How easy it is to withdraw or transfer money from Bull Prime to my chosen bank account, Gcash or GoTime. Okay, so actually withdrawal process is very easy, just like what Mirhan has demonstrated earlier in her presentation. You just need to go to Bull Prime's website, choose withdraw funds, um, enter the amount that you want, and then if you see use Gcash, then you just follow the instructions on Gcash, and then you'll get your money within 1 to 3 working days. Okay. Next one is, how do we know who is our account manager? Okay, in order for you to know your account manager, you actually need to log into your Bold Prime dashboard. And at the top right, you will see a button that reads the name of your account manager. The second option is our account manager will actually reach out to you via WhatsApp or Telegram, and they will usually introduce their name, and that's how you can know who is your dedicated account manager. Okay, so what PSP is provided? For those who don't know, PSP stands for Payment Service Provider. So we have multiple PSPs such as online banking, Gcash, PayMaya, and GrabPay. Oh, there's a question about, will this webinar cover the basics of technical analysis and fundamental analysis? Okay, first I would like to apologize. For this webinar, we are really focusing on the basics for beginners. So we do not include these topics yet, but if that's something that you, Adrian, is interested in, we'll be happy to take it up to our team. And perhaps we can organize another webinar, or even better, we can come down to the Philippines ourselves and also do a physical webinar on technical and fundamental analysis. Okay. Another question is about cryptocurrency withdrawal. So for your information, other than banking, we do like cryptocurrency withdrawal. And the question is, can we fill an address of someone else for the withdrawal and not our address? The answer is yes. You can withdraw crypto to someone else's address, but please, 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 it is very important for you to be cautious, verify all details, because we do not want any frauds or scams happening. The last thing that we want is for you to lose your money. Okay. Do you have a demo account? Yes, we do. We have demo accounts and also live accounts. So for those of you who are just beginning, it is advisable to start with demo and practice there before you start investing your own money. Okay. Now let's see. Are there any bank withdrawal charging fees? No, there is no extra fees on withdrawal. So the amount that you withdraw is the amount that will be transferred to you. Okay. There is also a question about, can we share the recording of this webinar? Yes, of course. So what I'm going to do is I will send you guys an email with the recording of the webinar and also the deck so that you can study at your own time, because I understand sometimes to absorb all the information within a cramped amount of time might be a little challenging, but you will have the leisure to watch the recording at your own pace. All right. Okay. What type of stop loss do we always use? This is actually depends on the strategy that you use and how much you are willing to lose per trade. All right. So you are the one who will be setting the level, the stop loss level that feels comfortable to you based on the amount that you are willing to risk. Okay. Now let's say, oh, I have a question in Tagalog from Rafael Morales. But we had a translator who translated. So the question is, do we have any IBs that provide signal with high winning rates? The answer is yes, we do have IBs that provide signals daily with high winning rates. Okay. Now let's see. What to do or if you want to do IB but you don't have any active clients yet, how do you get commission? Okay. This one again, it depends on your marketing strategy, but usually what we can offer is some marketing materials, our posters, and we do have seasonal bonuses and campaigns almost every month. So you can actually use these bonuses and campaigns to promote your link to your potential referrals. Okay. When you sign up as an IB, you will also get an account manager. And this account manager will actually advise you on some growth strategy. How can you gain more referrals? How can you push your current referrals to trade more and therefore increase your commission? So again, please utilize your account managers as much as you can. They are here for you. All right. Another question. How many experts are involved in developing and improving Bold Prime? Are we in good hands? This is such a good question, and I'm pretty honored to get these questions. So I'm happy to share that yes, you are in good hands as Bold Prime is developed and improved by a team of experts in their respective field. So upon the creation, and even now, we have been consistently taking in your feedbacks and also upskilling our knowledge and also just on our trading skills so that we can ensure that Bold Prime meets the highest standard and quality for all of you here. Okay. How much? Okay, this is a question about copy trading. How much is the performance fee charge for copy trading? Okay, in general, when you do copy your provider's trade, they will charge a small performance fee because essentially we are using their expertise and also their time to trade for you. But the performance fee is actually chosen by the provider. Okay, so it depends if your provider charges perhaps 10 or 20%, then that's the amount that will be taken out of your profit to be given to the provider. Okay, the performance fee starts from 1%. Okay, let's see. Okay, from Rafael, does Bold Prime offer daily market overview if bullish or bearish economic outlook? We do provide daily market overview. You can actually follow our Telegram page for daily updates on how the market is moving let's say this week, and what are the upcoming news that may impact the market. So do follow our social media and especially our Telegram. Okay. Another question from Rafael. What is the common cross pair or equity that Bold Prime always trade? So we offer lots of cross pairs equity, but our client's favorite is GBP JPY. Okay, the pound versus Japanese yen. Okay. Another question about copy trading. When you say copy trading, is it day trading, position trading, swing trading, or scalping? Okay, this one actually will follow your providers because different providers have different strategies. So you can follow and mimic the experts that you prefer. So it's best to find a provider that has the same strategy as what you're looking for and then follow them. So that way you can invest easier without having to do all the research and analysis yourself. Okay. Adrian, does Bold Prime provide free or paid training for advanced level of technical analysis? We do have something called Bold Prime Trading School. It is a platform where you can actually access some educational materials on advanced level of technical analysis. So do go ahead and click the link and then let us know if that's what you're looking for. If not, again, talk to your account manager. Let us know what you want and we can definitely work something out for you. Okay, what are the questions that we have? Okay, what is the best session to trade for Forex? Asian, Europe, or US session? The best session to trade for Forex is typically the overlap of the Asian and the European trading session, which occurs around between 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. UTC time. So during this time frame, usually there is an increased liquidity and volatility in the market. So this is a favorable time for traders to make profit. Okay, but again, each session has its own pros and cons, advantages and disadvantage. So it ultimately depends on your preference and also your strategy. Okay, from Fatiha, does Bull Prime has negative balance protection? Yes, we do have negative balance protection. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is a pretty good question. I saw a review that when they were about to withdraw their profits, their account got suspended and they are not able to withdraw. Okay, so for these cases, usually is caused by abusive trading strategy in our trading platform. So there are some rules and regulations of Bull Prime that has been breached. That is why the accounts are suspended. If you are trading following the rules, not doing any abuse, then you will definitely get your withdrawal successfully without any issue. Okay. All right. Some ask, do you provide signal on Telegram? Okay, I would like to apologize on this because we do not personally provide signal on the Bull Prime's Telegram, but we do have a lot of introducing broker, like we had introduced earlier, who actually provide these signals. So you can reach out to them, join their Telegram group, and follow their signal from there. Okay, I think there's around 51 questions, so I apologize that I can't address them all, but I best believe that they have been answered in the chat box. So I hope that our team has done their best to address all your queries and concerns. But let's say you have other questions in the future, no worries. What you can do is you can actually visit our website at mybullprime.com and then connect with our live chat team to ask your questions. Or another better alternative, like our speaker has explained to you, when you register with Bull Prime, a personal dedicated account manager will reach out to you via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. So you can ask all of your questions there and get them answered accordingly. Okay, so I think we can wrap our Q&A session.